We'll guide you through how to make metal text effect in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop to begin creating a metal text effect in Figma. Once the Start menu appears, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar search field and open the Google Chrome browser application from the results. After the browser loads completely, click the search bar, enter Figma, and press enter on the keyboard. From the search results page, click the official Figma website to continue. The Figma main page will then appear in your browser window. Before proceeding, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access all editing features and design tools. After signing in successfully, start a new design by clicking the plus design file button from your dashboard. A blank editing canvas will open where you can begin creating your design project. To make a metal text effect in Figma, select the text tool, which is represented by the letter T icon in the toolbar. Move your cursor to the desired location on the canvas and left-click with your mouse to place a text box. Type the text you want to transform into a metallic style. Then complete the action by clicking anywhere outside the text box. Next, move to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen and scroll down until you locate the Fill section. Click the color square beneath the Fill heading to open the Color Picker window. At the top of the Color Picker, select the Gradient tab. Choose colors for each point on the gradient slider to imitate the appearance of reflective metal. If you need additional color transitions, you can add a new color point by clicking directly above the gradient slider line. Adjust the positions of the color points until the metallic effect looks convincing. Alternatively, you can create a more realistic metallic text effect by using an image texture instead of a standard gradient. To do this, click the Image tab within the Fill panel and select Upload from Computer. Browse your local storage, choose the metallic texture image you prepared earlier, and click Open. Once the image is applied, your text will display a realistic metallic effect based on the texture pattern contained in the selected image file.